Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, taking a look at the financial sector here, XLF, and we'll look at FAZ, which is a financial 3x ETF bear. So what I'm looking at here on XLF, obviously we had a very strong bounce after Brexit, tons of gaps to the upside, higher low established, breakout to the upside, and some nice follow through. But then on Thursday we hit a double top. The high from May 31st, 2380, the high 2380, that's a clear double top, and we can see the consolidation that occurred after that. So there's a couple setups that this could potentially be. There's a cup and handle pattern potential setup where you have the left side of resistance set, you dip down, then the right side is unable to break the resistance of the left side, you consolidate sideways or downtrending slightly, and then you break out to the upside. That's potential. The psychology of the pattern is present here, but what I'm looking to occur, I know that the S&P 500 is due to consolidate after 6 higher opens in a row. We saw the bearish reversal candlestick from Thursday confirmed in SPY, and we now have a bearish reversal and confirmation here on XLF as well. So we are looking for some pullback. We need to be aware that there's lots of financial earnings coming up. We've got Bank of America on Monday. So this coming week, earnings are going to play a big part in this chart and this setup. I personally would be much more confident as a bear if that setup were not present, and if those earnings were not present, because this setup is so clearly bearish for the short-term consolidation pullback. So we need to be aware, watch what those earnings are. We did have a lower wick with the bulls buying the dip after the gap fill on Friday, but then we had the Turkish coup after hours. SPY dropped $1, and we saw XLF drop down into the 2340s as well. So if we get any kind of weak earnings and we get SPY consolidating, we're going to see XLF consolidate as well. So we're looking at support of 2337 and then down to 2321 with moving average support at 23 even. The weekly time frame is also seeing a rejection from the upper Bollinger Band resistance right with that double top. So we can see support here is 2313, the 100-week moving average, if we see further consolidation. And we'll have to update that upper Bollinger Band resistance at the start of next week to see what that key level is. As of right now, we're still in this tightening pattern of lower highs and higher lows, unable to break to the higher high. And if we pull back and establish another higher low, the range will be getting tighter and tighter, and we should see a clear break within the next month or two. So with that knowledge, with that clear bearish setup of a double top, FAZ is the 3x daily financial bear ETF, and we saw a big time pullback. We were up at $45, 46, and now we're down to 35 because of the very bullish bounce after Brexit. We did see a bullish reversal candlestick Thursday, and it was confirmed Friday, but we just want to be cautious here because we are clearly trading against the trend. But FAZ had some nice gains on Friday, and we'll see if there's any weak earnings, and again, any pullback in the S&P 500, we should see FAZ continue higher. Resistance is 34.93. And we're looking up at 35.55, and we'll have to keep an eye on this 10-day moving average resistance as it drops down. We can see previous support at 35.01, rejecting the price 34.93, unable to get above that level. So previous support acting as resistance, and we'll see what these financials turn out to be next week and how that affects the sector XLF. I appreciate you watching. We'll certainly check back in. Have a great weekend.